Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzy, and if you are new here, you are also welcome to the family. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, we're going to jump straight into today's topic, which is Tesco receipts. And we all know the purpose of this channel is to save money, and make your money work harder. So on the same theme, we're looking at Tesco receipts today, and I have one here which I'm just going to show you, and just going to show you the bottom of the receipt where it says here at the bottom, a chance to win £1,000. Now, so every Tesco receipt you get, there will always be this section at the bottom, and there's a website link there. And if you click on that website and fill out some survey questions, I believe it was around about 10 to 15 when I did it, you're automatically then entered in with a chance to win £1,000 Tesco gift card. It's as simple as that, literally. I am going to show you how the website looks. You can't just take the link and then just start making up codes. You have to have a receipt, because there's some things on the receipt that you will need to enter into the link in order to complete the survey. But this is a chance to win £1,000 Tesco gift card. And because this channel is about helping you make money, save money, making your money work harder, this is a perfect tip, which doesn't really cost you anything in terms of if you're going to Tesco ready to buy things, you might as well jump in with a chance of winning up to £1,000 Tesco card, because I mean it's 2022. Every penny counts, as Tesco's motto, isn't it? Every penny counts. So let's try and get some money where we can, because you never know when you could win it. It could be the first time you do it that you could win the £1,000 gift card. It might be the second time, but this is free. Something that's free is genuine in the sense that it's not a dodgy link on a website you've come across randomly. It's on their actual receipt, and it shows you the website link, and once you get there, it tells you the information you need to input into the website. So let's have a quick look at the website, and yeah, let's take a look. I just typed in this www.tescoviews.com. All of this just came up when I typed it in, and then it asks is here for you to enter your 4-digit code. And if I just clicked here, I can't find code, so I just opened that in a separate tab. So we're just going to look at what it says, and it shows you here where your code is. So depending on what type of receipt you have, or if they gave you a card or a receipt or something else, it shows you where to get your code from. So you just take that 4-digit code, and then you just put it in here, and then you can click enter and start the survey. It's as simple as that. So that's Tesco for you. So if you want to save some money, make your money work harder, that's Tesco for you. And this will help you be entered into a chance to win £1,000 Tesco gift card, which is in line with this channel to help you make money or save money or make your money work harder. Thank you for watching. My name is Lizzy, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless for now.